Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we are discussing a major microeconomic topic that global market are closely watching the impact of Middle East conflict on oil price and global inflation. The Middle East plays a critical role in the global energy system. A large portion of the world's oil supply comes from the region, including major producers such as Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, and the United Arab Emirates. Because of the concentration of supply, geopolitical tensions, military conflict in the region immediately raises concern about disruptions to global oil productions and transportation routes. When conflict intensifies in the Middle East, the first market reaction is usually seen in crude oil prices. Traders quickly price in the rise in the risk with supply could be disrupted through damaged infrastructure, nations a blockade of shipping routes of one of the most important strategic choke points in the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow passage through which a significant percentage of the world's oil export pass every day. Any threat to this shipping lane can trigger rapid increase in oil prices. Oil markets are extremely sensitive to uncertainty. Even if actual supply disruption does not occur immediately, the fear of potential disruption can push prices higher. Energy traders often add up geopolitical risk premium to oil prices during periods of conflict. This premium reflects the probability that production or transport could be affected if tensions escalate further. Higher oil prices have direct consequences for global inflation. Oil is not only used for fuel, but it is also a fundamental input for transportation, manufacturing, agriculture, and logistics. When oil prices rise sharply, the cost of transporting goods increases, and business often pass those higher costs on the consumers. This process creates inflationary pressure across the broader economy. Energy inflation can spread quickly through supply chains. For example, higher fuel costs increase shipping expenses for global trade, rising the price of importing goods. Airlines, trucking companies, and shipping firms all face higher operating costs, which ultimately influence consumer prices for food, manufactured products, and services. The central bank closely monitors all price movements because the inflation expectation. If energy prices remain elevated for a sustained period, it becomes more difficult for central banks to center inflation. Policymakers may be forced to maintain higher interest rates for longer to prevent inflation and becoming entrenched in the economic. Higher interest rates can slow economic growth by increasing borrowing costs for business and consumers. Mortgage rates, credit costs, and corporate financing all become more expensive. This creates a difficult balancing act for central bank as they must control inflation without pushing the economy into a recession. Another important fact: the Middle East conflict is increased volatility in financial market. Investors often shift capital towards safe haven assets during periods of geopolitical uncertainty. Commodities like gold, defensive currencies, and government bond may attract stronger demand, while these assets such as equities and emerging market currencies may experience selling pressures. Energy importing countries are particularly vulnerable to rising oil prices. Nations that rely heavily on imported energy may see their trade balance deteriorate as they spend more money as fuel. This can weaken their currency, increase inflation domestically, creating additional economic challenges. On the other hand, energy exporting countries may benefit from higher oil prices. Countries with large oil production capacity can experience increased revenue during periods of geopolitical tension. However, extreme price volatility can still create uncertainty for long-term economic planning. Even in exporting nation, financial markets often attempt to anticipate how long geopolitical tension may last. If investors believe the conflict will remain limited and temporary, oil prices spike may be short-lived. However, if the conflict threatens major energy infrastructure of spread across multiple countries in the region, oil prices could remain elevated for a longer period. Another key factor is the role of strategic petroleum reserves held by major economic governments. Sometimes release oil from emergency reserves to stabilize market offset supply disruption. While these releases can temporarily ease price pressure, they are usually short-term solutions, cannot fully replace long-term production losses. Technical changes and energy diversification are also influencing how the global economy react to oil shocks over time. Renewable energy, electric vehicles, and alternative energy sources may reduce dependence on oil. However, despite this development, oil still remains one of the most critical energy sources in the global economy today. For traders, investors understand the relationship between geopolitical risk, oil price, and inflation is extremely important. Energy markets often move quickly when geopolitical events unfold, and these moments can influence currencies, equities, bonds, and commodities simultaneously. Monitoring geopolitical developments, supply disruption, and central bank responses can help investors anticipate market reactions. When oil prices surge due to geopolitical tension, the effect ripples through multiple financial market economic sectors as well as the Middle East remains a central hub of global energy production. Geopolitical developments in the region will continue to influence oil market and global inflation dynamics. Understanding this connection will help investors better interrupt market volatility and macroeconomic trend. If you find this analysis helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more professional insight into global market, macroeconomic, and the forces shaping the financial world. Thanks.